What I want to do is to give the player the choice that he can go through different directions, so that he can either go through this area or go to this area. This will be our main area, and this will be our secondary area. Okay? What's the difference between the main area and the secondary area is that we want to make sure that the player most of the time chooses this path. Okay? And the secondary area is just an optional thing to do. Okay? So the way we're gonna do this is that we are going to create an entrance here. And we're gonna do it very easy. I'm gonna grab a box here. Okay? I'm gonna put it here. And what I will do is to extrude this. If you remember BSP brushes, you can actually have additive and subtractive elements. And what I can do is to move this one here, something like this. And then I will click on this one, which is my wall. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on this one, which is the object I want to cut through. And then I'm going to click Boolean. And as you can see, I have my Boolean is working. Can actually move it up or down. I can scale it if I want. And let's just say I want something like this. Okay. So let me click accept. So what is the problem with this one? If we hit play, the player can already see here that there is a path here going on. So there is no surprise, actually. Like if you go through, you want to give the player some rewards as he continues to play. So if I go to this path, I don't want to ruin the surprise, right? I want to make sure that he discovers new things as he plays the game. So what I'm going to do is to actually move this one a little bit to the left so that the player actually discovers this hole when it's in this place and not here. Otherwise, we ruin the surprise, and it's not very fun to do that. So how are we going to do it? We can either go back here and redo the Boolean, or we can move the vertices. I choose to remove the Boolean. So let me check from this camera, and I will try to just move this one here. And let me see how my camera looks here. Maybe like this, okay? So I will put it just like that. And what we're gonna do is to select this one, then select this one, click Boolean, and now let's make sure that I cannot see my entrance. I can actually move this one here so that I can see on real time what's going on. I can continue to move this one, and when I get here, I see that I have something, okay? So I will click accept, and let's play our game again. So we can go this place, and boom, there is a new entrance here, okay? That's one thing. Let's check how it feels when we play here. We can go up, and whoa, we see that from up, when going up, we have some elevation. We can actually see the entrance here. That's something nice. We want to keep that, okay? Now, let's check if our gameplay doesn't feel too long. If you go here, like, it's okay. But this one feels a little bit too boring. So the way we're gonna fix it is just to put some obstacle here. I'm just gonna grab a box, just like that. And I'm gonna put it like this. And now I can go this direction or this direction. And this is a little bit more fun than just an empty space. Okay.